So here's what we do. Clinical use of RET plus REMS. We match the bracelet with the RET here. Or double bracelet and a single bracelet. Then the RET handle is combined with the operation of the negative electrode. We'll start with a pair of bracelets. It is to turn on RET combined with microelectrical operation. Let's take the hand as an example. If the customer is in another location, you can also use a bracelet to operate, but the scope of operation of the bracelet, not particularly extensive, usually on the length of the human body, more appropriate. For example, feet and hands, the upper bracelet that can be worn, you can only use the bracelet to operate. If it is the middle area of the body, we can operate with bracelets. It's too far away. Its feel may be slower. Okay, here's the first step. If the client needs treatment for both hands, we can wear bracelets on our hands. It is to wear one of each hand for operation. If it is a single hand, we can all wear it on one hand for operation. If you wear it like me. So the treatment area was this section. Because he will form a circuit here. This is how to operate this section of the regional operation therapy. When we operate this line, try to keep it as smooth as possible. Don't let it fold like this. That doesn't work. We can also tie it with a cable tie. Just tie it up and down. Remember to apply radio frequency cream on the bracelet. You can also get a little soothing cream on the bracelet. When we operate, connect these two wires to the host computer accordingly. After we enter the interface, we can do it according to our own situation. To choose two modes, I chose professional mode here. We're going to use RET and current. Function needs to be selected. SR, ET and EMS. These two functions should be selected at the same time. We can click on the location above. Click the alternating R, E, T and EMS buttons. After selecting two functions, we set its corresponding parameters. Next are RET and EMS. It belongs to an alternate use. Our instructions for use say, when the two functions are used interchangeably, you can use continuous mode for output. Because the time when the two functions alternate, it forms a relief. Then it has a single function. I wouldn't keep going to work. It won't heat up. All the current keeps working like this, and then the therapeutic side. Choose according to the situation, one shallow, one deep, or alternating frequencies. If it is a muscle treatment, just choose the shallow 500K. Deep down is 300K. Then high EMS, we can choose the default dynamic therapy. Then set the energy suggestion to be lower. Then slowly increase this current for customers to use. Then RET. Select the energy position. Then click Add or Subtract below to adjust. Because we use the operation of the bracelet, its heat generation is slower. We can adjust the energy appropriately. Okay, after setting it up here, just set the clinical time again. We click clinical time. Then adjust by addition and subtraction. Okay, after setting the parameters here, just click Start. While our customers are working, you can ask him how this arm feels. Under normal circumstances, he has heat, then alternate to current, then after the current, alternate to heat. So go round and round, every function, it works for a few seconds. If the customer feels that the energy can be increased, for example, he reported that the heat was slightly warm, then we can also increment this radio frequency. Our customers' affordability is still okay. We can turn up the microcurrent. And then the RF. He thinks it's just warm, no heat. Then we can also increment one file. Next, teach the customer to operate the double bracelet in the Academy mode. Then the two functions are used interchangeably. We click Settings to enter. Choose a storage location. Then the number of stages. We currently only operate bracelets. One will do. Then the corresponding stage. Choose simple numbers. One handle to operate. Perform the following settings. Because the bracelet only works with a single function. No combination function. RET has a bending function. RET and bracelet. They are all made of metal. So we can choose RET by. To use the bracelet to go to the clinic. Then the corresponding choice is to alternate RET and EMS. Then set it accordingly. First hit a desired target heat.